briefly going to explain to you how you do social annotations. You know what? I'm going to use the reading that is for the practice. Okay. All right. So this is on a tablet, but if you were opening it on your desktop, this tab to the left-hand side over here would just automatically be there. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get a sense of how many annotations you need to read. So you've already done the reading, and now it's time to go annotate. You're going to do at least one annotation. You can do more. I'm not going to penalize you for that. In fact, might not be too bad of an idea. And you must respond to at least 2 annotations left by 2 different peers. And what does that mean? That means you should probably start annotating early so that everyone has enough time to engage with everybody. So then you're going to go into the document. You don't have to be logged into Google in order to do this. You can comment anonymously. If you do that, make sure to leave your name as it appears on Canvas. So if you don't know how to change your name on Canvas, you can do that in your settings. So you go to account on the left-hand side where your picture is, your icon, and you just go into there and you can see where you can change your name as it appears in Canvas. The important thing is that I can just match whose comment is whose annotation is whose. And then what you'll do is just highlight something. Well, it's probably way easier to do it with a thing, and then you it's just not doing what I needed to do. All right. And you would insert a comment. That's all you'll do to do your social annotation. In terms of what I'm looking for this, I have this. We're aiming for substantive quality work. Substantive involves both following instructions and saying meaningful, useful things. So an example of something not substantive is just asking a question or replying, I have the same question, or I agree for the same reasons. Asking and trying to answer questions, disagreeing and explaining why, agreeing and explaining why, giving examples, making connections, etc. are all on their way to being substantive. Substance is part of quality, and quality also includes using your own voice, being civil, adding to the conversation, and so forth. That sounds really vague, but I'm trying to assess this holistically. And this is just a practice run. So I'm going to be giving feedback. As long as you follow instructions here, you're going to receive full credit for this one. So just try your best, try to good faith attempt, and we'll build from there.